class 11-12 trigonometry. Proof cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 by 15 equal to -1. Solution, let pi by 15 equal to theta, so pi equal to 15 theta. Now we write this equation here. Here taken 8 into 2 16, so 8 by sin theta, 2 sin theta, cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta. Now we know that 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta, and others are kept as it is. Now here is again taken 4 and 2 is given here, and others are same. So 4 by sin theta, 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta equal to sin 4 theta, and others are kept as it is. Now again here take 2 into 2 4, here take 2, so 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta equal to sin 8 theta, others are remain same. So again 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 is given, this 2 is given here, so 1 by sin theta, 2 sin 8 theta cos 8 theta equal to sin 16 theta equal to 1 by sin theta sin 16 theta equal to pi equal to 15 theta, so 15 theta plus theta 16 theta, so this equal to minus sin theta by sin theta, as pi by theta equal to sin pi by theta equal to minus sin theta, so minus sin theta by theta equal to -1. This is the proof. Thank you.